first thing you should market is the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is very powerful. Because why? The weekly time frame is what gives you the direction of what the market is going to do all through that week. Like last week now, let's check it out. The last week market, all through last week on BTC, this is the highest high of the market. And this is the lowest low of the market. All through last week for BTC. And the highest high BTC reached be that. And at the lowest low, the BTC reached all through last week. Now, if market won't buy or sell again, and that place could go. That place. Why? Because now then liquidity today. Liquidity, then they move the market. Liquidity start from even for monthly time frame. If the beginning of a new month, what I will do, I will just go monthly time frame. Why? Because the liquidity are always resting at the highest and lowest points of the market. That's why we'll talk about liquidity this afternoon. We're going to talk about external range liquidity. What I'm marking right now is external range liquidity. Because external range liquidity is the main direction of the market. Internal range liquidity cannot do anything in the market. Internal range liquidity is mainly for entry. It's for your entry. But the main direction of the market is external. So without external, you are doing rubbish. For you are crazy. So that's why you're marking the highest point and the lowest point. Now here is not money for buy. Say, now here they buy. Now what that they tell you. So liquidity they did there every time. So that's the first step. Why? Because we want to know the market direction. And if you look at the weekly time frame, is this a uptrend or a downtrend? Now uptrend, but this is on a downtrend. Oh yeah. Me not tell you. Oh yeah. Downtrend. Downtrend. Good. Why? Because this was the last low of the markets. Yeah. So my guy, BTC selling a massive waiting no good. Now that's what I tell you. It's like a market structure shift. Me say BTC does shift from up to down. Now waiting daily time, weekly time for they tell us now. So now downtrend, now weekly time for the show us. And these two areas are marks the previous weekly high, this is it. And the previous weekly low, this is it. So if market one move again, and that previous weekly high and low, then go. So market if it go up like this, break out from that previous weekly high, continue to go up like this. Before it's the same. Something like this will happen. Or market if you just go down like this, continue selling. So now we can mark that weekly high and low. Why? For direction. Now that's what they do tell you. High and low are mainly for direction. Now after that, you move to your daily time frame. After mark out the previous weekly and previous weekly low, because that's the main direction of the market. You move to your daily time frame. Now, in your daily time frame, at what direction do you think BTC is? Is it a downtrend or an uptrend? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend?
Slow on the downtrend.
A downtrend. You see, so BTC have more selling than buying. And that's what they tell you. So it's still on a downtrend. But with daily time frame, I know they do too much for you. Why? Because I know they do too much for you. Now tomorrow, I will focus on daily time frame. But today, now weekly time frame, 4 hours, 1 hour, and 15 minutes now for your attention. My daily time frame no matter to me for today. Don't forget, this is the highest points all through last week. Now and this is the lowest points all through last week. So if market won't go, if it go up, if you look out from this up, me say it will go up throughout this week. Now, if you not go, make it go up like this, it go down, it go break up from this low. Means the BTC will continue selling this week. Now, what did you tell you? But that information You get them for where? From the weekly time frame, the highest point and the lowest point. The highest point and the lowest point. So two things are involved on BTC. You see, if price bigger from this side, BTC is going up. Now wait till that waiting to tell you. And if price bigger from this low, BTC is going to the direction that that will give you. Please, let's mute our mic now. Please, I beg. I cannot see the chart to log out and log in again. If you don't see the chart, log out and log in again so that you'll see the chart way. Now, that's the weekly time frame. Now, the next step you are going to do is to go to your 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame to know the market structure. Because if you are a day trader, the weekly and the daily time frame is just meant for direction. But you can't take any trade there. You can't analyze the market there. You are just there just to know the market direction. The main place where you analyze markets now 4 hours or 1 hour as a day trader. And at that 1 hour and 4 hours, then go give you the main direction of the market. The daily time frame, now just to know the direction. But what did they give the direction? Now waiting. Now 1 hour and 4 hours. Just like for example now. Market, what market they do now? What market they go do so? According to this diagram, what market
they go up. They go up.
Uptrend.
Uptrend. How do you know uptrend? How? Why do you
Because it is highs and lows.
I love
The great structure.
Confirm. See, you see now? The direction. Now what is daily time frame they tell us? But the setup, the analysis, they come from 4 hours and 1 hour. Now wait, I will make you understand for the market with that. So sometimes daily time frame show you uptrend and your structure will show you downtrend. Which one you go follow? I bet when I answer that question. If your daily time frame they show downtrend, your structure they show uptrend, what you go follow? Maybe your 1 hour, 4 hours they show uptrend, what you go follow?
You follow the structure.
Because follow the structure. I love that. Follow the structure. But mind you, the direction are downtrend. So if they follow the structure, if they follow based on your strategy, not be based on the markets. Actually, they call bias and trend. Be that I don't know this thing before. Go check my video for today. The trend of the markets is downtrend. That is the daily time. The bias is what your strategy is telling you. So if you now go to your 1 hour, 4 hours, you know be seeing maybe people have given us the market structure shift to the upside. I don't know whether I understand that at all. Let me continue. Now, in the 4 hours, for me, it's not clear. It is not clear. So what I will do is I will go to my 1 hour. Instead, I go to 4 hours or 1 hour. Now, in the 1 hours, don't forget, let me just delete it. Let me delete it. Please follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Now, this is the weekly, and this is the weekly. Now, you notice that price is going up now, which means is trying to be carried away. There's some liquidity that price might likely come. It might break it out or continue doing it for you. But in your 1 hour time frame, notice that the market is in downtrend. This is the last break of structure of the market. Pay attention. Market strip out from the external liquidity. That's why I must teach you external liquidity today. They strip out the external liquidity and BTC started buying. Some people will now say that this is a market structure shift. No. Please, this is not a market structure shift. Or some people say this is a market structure shift. No. This is not a market structure shift. This is nothing but a change of character. That's why there's a difference between market structure shift and change of character. There's a difference between market structure shift and change of character. When price sweep out this low, it gives us what? A change of character. Why? Because this is your internal structure. The external structure is this high, yeah, and this low. So price sweep out the external structure, external range liquidity, the lowest point of the 1 hour, and started buying, and it gave us change of character. So even though price is buying, there's a lot of possibility that there might be a reversal. Now, before I could talk more on what really happen for here, let's talk about external range liquidity. Because if we are not talking about external range liquidity, no matter what I want to explain for you, you will understand what happen for you. Now, what will be external range liquidity? See, my book, now here I will call talk around. You go to get my book. Now, let me check it out. I did like 4 definitions I would like give you, but because of our time, I will just give you only 2 definitions. So write them down. It's very important. Let's go external range liquidity. Let's see external range liquidity. Now my little there. The liquidity is before order block. Okay. Good. So there for the book. Now I said, what is external range liquidity? He said, this is a liquidity located outside the current trading range or structure. I want to take my book for this. He said, this is a liquidity. I know it's not liquidity. I don't go explain liquidity. All of us know liquidity. Located outside the current trading range. Now, before you go answer that question, what is range? Because I say this is liquidity located outside the current trading range. Now, what is the range? What is range be for the market? Range.
Just a point where market is being biased, not passing each other, like consolidating.
Not passing each other is consolidating. Okay, you mean like if price is doing something like this? Hmm? Is that what?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what I mean, sir.
Good. You can call this a range. Good. But when we're talking about range, it's not all the time that the range of the market is always sideways. Range not simply means sideways. That's what they keep us with. You are right. So if you say range is a sideways market or consolidation market, accumulation market, good, perfect, you are fine. But it's not all cases. A range simply means the highest points and the lowest points of a price movement. The highest point where price reach and the lowest points where price reach, then the range. What do I mean? For example, if price is going up, boom, 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 where is the highest point of the market? Where is the highest point? If price is going up, where is the highest point?
The last pull-up candle.
Well, this is the highest point, and this is the lowest point. If this is a big structure, the current trading range, we have a lot of range here. This is a range, 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 this is a range. But we are talking about the current one, not the peak. Look at the definition. Current, look at that way. Current trading range. So it's not the previous one, but the current. So the current trading range is this highest point and this lowest point. So this is what we call a range. Please. Now let's see. External liquidity is liquidity located outside the current. Outside, not inside now. When we're talking about inside, is between this high and this low. That's inside. But this one is outside, which means located outside. Outside. Now let's go back to our charts. Let's go back to our chart. Where is if this is a break of structure? Please listen to me. If this is a break of structure, okay, let me pull back. I love this. Let's pull back. Let's pull back. Let's pull back. If this is a break of structure, where is the current trading range? If this is a break of structure, where is the current trading range? Oh, yeah. Good. I love
The
that.
lower
high. Like this. The lower high. Where is the low? The lower level. Make sure. Wait. This is the high. This is the low. That's the current trading range. And the external liquidity and liquidity located outside the current trading range. So any liquidity that take place outside of this range is external liquidity.
Okay, wait.
Okay, my guys, okay. Any liquidity that is located outside, not inside, though, outside. That's why a trading range is very important. The range of the market is the most important. That's where the direction lies. Now, if price does not break out from this low, there's not a break of structure yet. If price does not break out from this side, there's not market structure shift yet. You see what they keep most of us now. Now, if the time we say that high now market structure shift, there's none. There's none. So any liquidity that is located outside this range now is what we call external range liquidity. Now make a play small. What is all? Make a look what is all. Price go up. Oh, see, if they go up, what did they do now? Now pull back, they pull back now. If you go your 5 minutes, you go not to say now pull back. Now they pull back. See, I never give us change of character yet. Even for 5 minutes, we never give us change of character. The recent low from the 5 minutes time frame is here. This is the recent break of structure. According to the 5 minutes time frame. And where is the trading range of 5 minutes? Where is the trading range? In the internal structure, don't forget, the 1 hour is the external structure, which is the trading range. Don't forget this high and this low. And we also have trading range in the lower time frame. That one is internal structure. Now, where is the trading range? In the 5 minutes. According to the lower time frame, we are mark it out. That's why Clippers Academy, we are here to raise mentors. Now I'll go with that. I want people to work with me. Because I say this journey here, only me no fit do am. Where they go too far, only me no fit waka alone. I need people I want waka with. I dey teach with all my heart. I know they hide anything. Make you know and let my make go. I want make we work together. Because this trade, don't worry us well. I know the kind of stuff I suffer for me to understand this is what they explain now. Now, where is the highest time? Where? You see, now where people they get mistake, do mistake. See with my guy the map. This is not the highest high. This is not. This is wrong. Go. What's the mark for them, my guy? It's very wrong. No. The highest high of this market, the trading range is where? This high, and this low. Yeah. In your internal structure, not external structure. This is internal structure, not external. The external structure trading range is this high and this high. The internal, because why you are marking range is for direction. Range simply means direction. So in the internal structure, it shows that if price does not break out from this side, there is no change of character yet. As long as this range have not been broken, there is no change of character yet. That will tell you. And there's no liquidity sweep yet. As long as price have not swept out this low, this is not liquidity yet. There's no liquidity that have taken place now. Market is just giving us a pullback according to the internal structure. Now make we go back. Now what happened? There's no market structure. There's no change of character yet. There's no change of character yet in the lower time frame. Let me pass this. Let me pass it a little bit. Okay, I'm on this long. You see what market they do now? No change of character. Forget all this thing market they do. Now, if you go to your 1 hour, see what the market they do. It's just a pullback, but there's no change of pattern in that pullback yet. It's still pullback to the upside. This is the high. This is the main range. Oh, look at mark and where. And mark and with tick. Yes. And this way. This is the main range of the market. Don't forget the main range. Why this one at the lower range now, mark that time? So there's no change of character yet. Price is just going back. BTC like this kind of thing. I consolidate. It's now weekend. It's now weekend. See, oh, see, it come back to your 1 hour. Okay, it comes sweep out the low, push the trading range. So this process is what we call external range liquidity sweep. External range liquidity sweep. And they come back. It's external range liquidity sweep. This process is what we call external range liquidity sweep. So for you to buy with external range liquidity sweep, there must be a change of character. For you to know, say this market, this external range liquidity sweep to hold, there must be a change of character. There must be an impulsive move. There must be a change of character. There must be an order block. There must be a fair value gap. For you to confirm, say this external range liquidity sweep, market will go up on there. I beg, now, I mark this thing, I beg, because I beg, Joe, that one, they can't pick you back on, I beg, because. So now, if you go to your 5 minutes now, let's go back to our 5 minutes. After the sweep, you'll be looking for what? A change of character. Look at before, when price they go up, I know they think about buy before. When price they give me pullback initially, like this. When this pullback, they hold. I don't see one buy. Even though I want buy, I they wait for a change of character. And my change of character go do here. Price no come back to that place. So what the price can do? It can't come. It can't come back. Go sweep the external liquidity. The trading range. Now, what did this thing give me? As now liquidity don't sweep, it don't give me more confidence. Say buyers go get power. Buyers go get power. Even though I won't buy now, I feel buy with confidence too. If I won't buy now, I feel buy with confidence. Why? Because price don't collect some people liquidity for you. Don't forget, say, as market they give us pullback, as some people see this money star, some people start to buy. Based on say they don't see money star. So what the price go do? He go come back, go sweep those people out, collect their liquidity. You know what I mean? As market give us pullback, some people they buy BTC from me after they see that money star. This is money star. They buy BTC. And they target this high as their take profits. So we target this high as their take profits. So what the market can do? Market can pull back. If blessing won't go up before, you see, it can reverse, can collect their stop loss. That process is external liquidity sweep. No, for me to buy along with the smart money after the sweep liquidity, I got to look for a change of character in my lower time frame. Now let's go to the lower time frame. After the sweep, this is the sweep. I will look for a change of character. Some people go buy immediately, but me, I don't advise anybody make you buy immediately. Because if you buy immediately, good time, market later go down. Sometimes price will sweep out the liquidity and it will continue to go down. What do they call liquidity one be that? It's not all cases that price go sweep liquidity, they go up or they go down. What it will make you confirm, say price won't buy, and that change of character we go keep for lower time frame. If not, if you just buy immediately, buy sweep liquidity, if you later continue to sell again, after you don't buy finish, I don't know whether I understand that at all. I don't understand what that talk before I go miss road.
Yeah,
We don't
we
understand that. We don't understand that.
Because maybe I don't talk too much. Good. If you when price for us to buy this market after liquidity is free, we need a change of character. No change of character, no entry. Now let's see what price have for us. Now, before the change of character, now where is our trading range of this market from the lower time frame? That's the important all the time. Trading range. Both your lower time frame, both your higher time frame, you need them. Where is your trading range? Mark it out. Because now there your change of character day. You know, because market now has change of character. Now change of character. You are crazy. Where's our trading range? Oh yeah.
Please, how can I mark out my own zone?
There's a particular like a pencil on your screen. You see
Okay, I've seen it. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so people are marking here. I love this. Okay, most people are marking here. Who is this? I love see here. Steve, thank you. This is the trading range, oh. You see the kilos? This is the trading range, oh. Steve, thank you. Don't be here, bro. What did they mark? What did they do you? This trading range, that be the direction of both your lower time frame and higher time frame. Don't be here, oh. Now here. If you buy from here, oh, anything will happen. Now the range with this. Now let's see what market have for us. Go. You see? I just dey go up. Just dey go up. I no go enter yet. I no go enter. I will just dey look am. I'm not doing anything yet. I'm not doing anything. Good. Love this. What the market do? It break up from behind. Sir. Today is that place like the trading range. Now what did that tell you? Now you will buy. No be say if you buy, market no go go your way because this is a monster. If you buy you, but now probability they do. Because you see this monster now with the you fit buy the market after that sweep, but anything fit happen. Trading no be game of make I just buy. Now game of probability. Before you buy, make sure say you get more confident where you want buy. No say I want buy based on say market say make I buy. No. Convince yourself so that if you buy, you no go think about anything will make it happen. No say you go buy, you go dey fear. I know they do that kind of thing. So for me to buy now, I go wait. No market give me change of card and I let me this. Good. Now here we call they look for as you give me change of character now, you don't give me say yes, market will go up. You don't give me more confidence. Say this market will go up, market will buy. Market will buy. Now this is a change of character. Now where will be our order block? Oh yeah. What are we going to use? Are we going to use order block, mitigation block, fair value gap? What are we going to use? Oh yeah. Are we going to use order block?
Fair value gap.
Fair value gap. Okay, you use fair value gap. Okay. I need more opinion. My guy say we use fair value gap. What your fair value gap today? Now here go day.
So we use order block.
Okay, use the other block.
Order block.
Okay.
Order block, yes.
I love that. Some people will use other block. There's other block here. There's an other block here. We have different order block in this market. We have an order block here.
Yes, that is the other block.
And this one, there's another block here, somewhere here. Even there's another block here, but this one I'm not too sure. But let me give you an update. The stronger the order block, the stronger the impulsive move, the stronger the order block. The stronger the impulsive move, the stronger the order block. That one, make that one be your brain. The stronger the impulsive move, the stronger the order block. But I make that block my life.
Boss, breaker block.
Well, let's continue. Now, for
breaker
me,
block. Breaker block. Breaker block.
Okay, breaker block.
Yes.
Okay, some people say that I'm going to use the breaker block. Let's consider here my likely be. There's a breaker block here. And there's also another breaker block here. Go check my video concerning breaker block. I'm not going to teach you all these things again. I believe you don't know. We have two bigger block here. Or let me just assume here will be best. Yeah, sweet pass for mine. So there's a bigger block here. So people use bigger block. Now, let me see this. My opinion, this other block might not hold. Why? Because it's the first order block before the break of structure. Any first order block before break of structure, or the other block no get liquidity before the break of structure, don't sell, don't buy. Any other block we no get liquidity, we dey rest around the other block, don't buy. So this one is out. This will be the best place to buy. And if there's a liquidity resting around this other block will have been the best place to buy. So this other block is out for me. I don't go buy from here. This other block, I will buy from here. Because markets give us impulsive move. There's an impulsive move. And there's a liquidity here. We likely buy our liquidity. And another other block, I will buy from here. Because this one will get impulsive move from mine. It's not enough. Look this one. The impulsive move. See this one. See this one. No much impulsive move in that other block. Anyone will not get much impulsive move. No strong. So this other block not too strong. The other block where I believe say is strong for this market. Now this one and now this one. Now I would like to buy from. And before I go buy from this other block, I go make sure say I see Morning Star. Before I go buy from any of them. So my other block will be here or here. But before I buy from any of them, I will make sure say I see Morning Star. So now the two other blocks I will pay attention to. Let's see what our price happens. Market just they go up. This is not a break of structure. Some people will now say, this is a break of structure. What are you doing? What it cause what it make a break of structure? There's no impulsive move. That's not a break of structure. Let's see. So price come to this other block where there. Some people enter the market. You know, come almost close. Almost close. Some people go buy with fair value gap. Let's see. Okay, good. Price come to the other block. We expect it. This is a Morning Star. Some people go buy, put that stop loss here, target the next key level as a take profit. But me, I don't go buy you. Even though market go my way, I don't go buy because there's no liquidity resting around the other block. I don't go buy because no liquidity is here. No liquidity within near the other block. Even though market go your way, now lucky you. Now let's see what happens. This is not belong. It was a profit good. But mind you, this is not a good one because there's no liquidity. So if price go your way, now lucky for you. Now lucky. Just know it's not lucky. Now let people see what happen next. Don't forget this is the high. Price have not break it out. Let's not the fact that price respect this other block. It no break out from this high. See am. It no break out. So what did they try to tell you? If they try to tell you say the liquidity, you know reach because say the liquidity reach supposed to break out from this high. Now liquidity they cause break of structure. You know which that liquidity is not enough. Now let's see what happened. It break, it go good, it break, good, it break, good. That liquidity is enough. Now, but mind you, this low now, is it a protect low? I don't leave it at one tissue, I got the teacher nothing. Is this low protected? Yes or no?
No.
Why?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Is it protected? Yes or no? Some say yes.
Yes.
Why yes?
Because
There's possible
there
move.
is liquidity and break structure.
Where did the liquidity sweep? Where did they? Which liquidity sweep? You know,
Is it
sweep
the
liquidity.
liquidity now?
This law is not protected. Forget that. This is it where there? This law is not protected because there's no liquidity sweep before buying. So even though price buy, this law is not protected. So whatever you are doing in this law, Baba, you know they say, even though you come back and ask other block, this is my other block. It's not safe. Or this is my other block. It's not safe. Or anyway, we want mark as other block. Because this law is not protected. Now look at what they do. See, it started to go down. Price come back to that place, we mark as other block. You say, you collect your stop loss. That low is not protected. That's just the reason. Now, what the price go do? He go come back, still they go down. Just they look what the price they do. You see they go down. You see they go down. This low is no protect. Make a person. Now, a lot of people will say that this is a market structure. This is a change of character again. You can call this a change of character. But mind you, this low no they protect. So a lot of possibility that market can still buy from me. Now, what do they do most traders? This low no they protect. So there's a lot of possibility that market can still buy from this because this one is protect. Price still liquidity for starting to buy. I don't know whether they get me. Price can come back to that one. See. After price come back, what do you do? Make us slow. You give us money star. See. Make a mark that other block well. Mark a well, mark your other block well. See other block. So they give us what? Money star. See. And that entry zone with that. Money star. I like what I like BTC. If they respect SMC, they give us money star. What is the way for buy? Put us stop loss here. Target the next level. Target here. Here. Because this external range liquidity, this low. Now external range liquidity, it's not go easy for price to break out. See what the market do. See. Even though target here, so that no go to dey greedy. Or here. No target like this because of the greediness. See what the market do. Just look at. External range liquidity. That is the power of external range liquidity. See, it go up. You see, it not shock you. It not shock you. Now it can't break this structure. Now we can see break of structure. Now make we go back to 1 hour. See what the market shows. So all these things we they do since now still internal structure. No be external structure. It's still downtrend though, according to 1 hour.